Population model versus Klinel model in anthropology. A comparative analysis. Anthronet Academy. A study aligned with the UGC NET Anthropology syllabus. Introduction. Anthropology studies human variation using different models. Two major models, population model and Klinel model. These models explain genetic and phenotypic diversity. Understanding them helps in studying human evolution. This presentation compares both models. What is the population model? Developed in the 20th century in biological anthropology. Groups humans into distinct populations based on genetics. Populations are defined by shared traits and ancestry. Used in studies of genetic drift and founder effects. Helps in understanding isolated genetic variations. Key features of the population model. Focuses on discrete human groups. Assumes limited gene flow between populations. Used in early racial classifications. Helpful in studying diseases in isolated populations. Influenced by migration and historical separations. Strengths of the population model. Useful in medical anthropology and genetics. Helps in forensic anthropology for ancestry identification. Provides insights into genetic disorders. Aids in understanding historical migrations. Basis for early human population studies. Limitations of the population model. Overgeneralizes human variation. Ignores continuous genetic mixing. Led to outdated racial classifications. Fails to explain gradual variation across regions. Less useful in modern anthropology. What is the Klinel model? Proposed as an alternative to population models. Recognizes gradual genetic and phenotypic changes. No strict boundaries between human groups. Emphasizes gene flow and adaptation. More accurate in explaining human diversity. Key features of the Klinel model. Focuses on gradual transitions, not fixed groups. Based on geographic and environmental influences. Recognizes continuous variation in human traits. Explains why traits blend across regions. Modern anthropology favors this model. Strengths of the Klinel model. More scientifically accurate than population models. Explains why human traits overlap between groups. Supports modern genetic and evolutionary studies. Useful in understanding adaptation to environments. Eliminates racial categorizations. Conclusion and comparison. Population model divides humans into distinct groups. Klinel model recognizes continuous genetic variation. Modern anthropology prefers the Klinel model. Both models contribute to studying human diversity. A combined approach can enhance understanding. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Anthronet Academy, for more insightful content on anthropology. Stay safe and connected.